This is a rollover crash test. It takes place in BMW's newest safety facility, one designed to test BMWs equipped with rollover sensors. In the U.S., rollover testing is not required by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration.
So the question is, why is BMW performing rollover test when it's not required from any government worldwide? Well, the answer is simple. It just fits to our BMW safety philosophy.
BMW focuses on 3 tests at the new facility.
One is the corkscrew, the other is a sand pit, and the last is the embankment test.
To simulate a ramp-induced rollover, which can occur when a vehicle is pushed into a barrier, the engineers use the corkscrew test. The sand pit test simulates what can happen when a vehicle slides sideways off the road. For the third test, the engineers built a steep ramp to simulate an embankment or ditch. The advanced safety design of the new X6 sports activity coupe underwent extensive testing in the new rollover facility.
Beim X6 haben wir zur Gestaltung der Fahrgastzelle hochfeste und extrem hochfeste Stähle benutzt, die wir an besonderen Punkten eingesetzt haben, wie an der B-Säule unten, am Längsträger und in den Türen.
The X6 includes a rollover sensor system that can analyze angular rate and angular acceleration in order to deploy the head protection system and seatbelt pretensioners if a rollover is imminent.
Im X6 haben wir an besondere Sensorik die Abfrontsensoren für einen Frontcrash, um hier frühzeitig ein Crashsignal erkennen zu können. Im Seitencrash gibt es die Türdrucksensoren in den Türen, um auch hier ein Ereignis frühzeitig erkennen zu können. Und speziell gibt es auch einen Rollover-Sensor, um einen Rollover in jeder Art erkennen zu können.
In the embankment test, the X6 proved to be one of the more challenging vehicles to test.
The purpose at this facility is the rollover, so we want to make the vehicles roll. But this is not too easy every time. For example, with the X6, it's very difficult. It has a wide track, it's quite high, but the center of gravity is very, very low. So it's a challenge to make the vehicle roll.
Technicians increased the steepness of the ramp and installed a steering robot in the test vehicle to induce it to roll for the test. Not only do these unmandated tests underline BMW's commitment to safety leadership, they also produce valuable data for the engineers' continuous development of advanced new systems.